How to clean your electric tea kettle. Hi, my name is Natasha with Everything House. I'm going to show you how I clean my glass tea kettle. Now, I got this off of Amazon. It was like 40 bucks. It's a great product. You look inside, you'll see that there's some white chalky buildup. That is limescale. Limescale, it comes from hard water with a lot of magnesium, calcium. Now we want to maintain the lifespan of this tea kettle. I don't like creating trash. I don't like buying things over and over again. I want to take good care of my products so that they last a long time. So what I want you to do is go ahead and get some nice filtered water. Any type of tap water is fine. You're gonna do 1 part water, then you're gonna grab white distilled vinegar, do about 2 parts of that, and then go ahead and throw it in your tea kettle. Leave it for 30 minutes to an hour. Every now and then you can swish it around. Fun fact, let your boyfriend know that there is vinegar in the tea kettle because he might go ahead and do what Marco did, which is water the flowers with vinegar. So once you leave the tea kettle, it will loosen up all the debris. Go ahead and dump that out, put fresh water, boil it, fill it up, make sure that it's all nice and hot. Make sure that it's clean. If you see any remaining residue, go ahead and dump that out. Get fresh water again, boil it a second time. If needed, really shouldn't need it. Once you dump out that hot water, you will see that it is nice and clean and good to go, and the lifespan of your tea kettle will last longer and it will taste better. I hope that helped. Really simple, eco-friendly, natural way to clean your tea kettle and make it last longer so that it does not end up in a landfill. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment any questions below, or if there's any other eco-friendly tips or hacks you would like me to make for you. I'd love to do that. Again, my name is Natasha. This is Everything House, and thanks for watching.